In the previous video we had seen what is a demultiplexer and the general form of a demultiplexer. In this video let us look at block diagram, truth table and logic diagram of a 1 to 4 demultiplexer. Similar to a multiplexer, in order to arrive at the block diagram of a demultiplexer, we need to compare the given demultiplexer with its general form. By comparing it with the general form, we will get the number of input, output and select line. So the general form of a demultiplexer is input is to output and number of inputs is 1, number of outputs is 2 power n, where n is the number of select line. So we are given 1 is to 4. So this can be written as 1 is to 2 power 2. So which will give us n is equal to 2. So the number of inputs will be 1. Number of output will be 4 and number of select lines will be 2. So by using this information, we can draw the block diagram of demultiplexer. So this is the block diagram of a 1 to 4 demultiplexer. So you can see that you have one input data line D in, two select line S1, S0 and 4 output lines Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 and one active high enable input. So this enable input determines if the demux is enabled or disabled. So if the enable input is 1, the demux is enabled, and when the enable input is 0, the demux will be disabled. Let us now look at the truth table of 1 to 4 demultiplexer. The truth table and the working of a 1 to 4 demultiplexer can be understood by looking at the block diagram of 1 to 4 demultiplexer. So this was the block diagram of 1 to 4 demultiplexer. From the definition of demultiplexer, we know that the input data line is connected to a particular output data line depending on the combination of select line. Here you have two select line, so you will be having 4 combinations, that is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So when the input combination S1 S0 is 0 0, then the D in line gets connected to Y0. Similarly, when S1 S0 is 0 1, D in line gets connected to Y1. When S1 S0 is 1 0, D in line gets connected to Y2. And when S1 S0 is 1 1, D in line gets connected to Y3. All this would be true only if the enable signal is 1. If it is 0, then irrespective of the combination of S1 S0, all the 4 outputs will be 0 because the demultiplexer will be disabled. So this is represented in the form of a truth table. The inputs to the demultiplexer will be enable and S1 S0, whereas there will be 4 outputs Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. If the enable is 0, the demultiplexer is disabled. So irrespective of the combination of the select line, the output would be 0. These 4 cases indicate when the demultiplexer is enabled. Since it is an active high enable input, E must be 1, and when the combination of select line S1 S0 is 0 0, then the DIN data line gets connected to Y0, hence Y0 becomes DIN and the other three will be 0. Similarly, when it is 0 1, DIN gets connected to Y1, so Y1 will be DIN and the others will be 0. For 1 0, DIN gets connected to Y2, so Y2 will be DIN and others will be 0. When the select line is 1 1, DIN gets connected to Y3, so Y3 is DIN and others will be 0. So this is the truth table of 1 to 4 demultiplexer. To draw the logic diagram of 1 to 4 demultiplexer, we have to derive the output expression for Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3. We can do that from the truth table. So Y0 will be DIN depending on the input combinations of E, S1 and S0. For Y0 to be DIN, E, S1, S0 must be 1 0 0. So which means E, S1 bar, S0 bar. So this is similar to what we had done in multiplexers. That is, if you have 1, then you write the variable, and if you have 0, you write the complement of that variable. So similarly, for Y1, it will be DIN E, S1 bar, S0. For Y2, it will be DIN E, S1, S0 bar, and for Y3 it will be DIN E, S1, S0. So you have 4 output expressions. So if you draw the logic diagram using basic gates, it will give you the logic diagram of 1 to 4 demultiplexer. So we have already done the logic diagram of 1 to 4 demultiplexer here. You can see that you have 2 select lines S1, S0, 4 outputs Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3, 1 enable input and 1 data input line DIN. So this DIN is connected to all the 4 AND gates, and also the enable is connected to all the 4 AND gates. The output of this NOT gate will be S1 bar and the output of this NOT gate will be S0 bar. So the output of first AND gate will be DIN S0 bar, S1 bar and E. So this can be written as DIN E, S1 bar, S0 bar. Similarly, the output of second AND gate will be DIN S0, S1 bar and E. So this will be DIN E, S1 bar, S0. The output of third AND gate will be DIN S0 bar, S1, E. So which can be written as DIN E, S1, S0 bar. Similarly, the output of fourth AND gate will be DIN S0, S1 and E. So which can be written as DIN E, S1, S0. So this is the same as what we got from the truth table. We'll look at 1 to 8 demultiplexer in the next video. Thank you.